Hello, it is the 5th of March 2021. It is 12:15 in the afternoon. I'm here at my local station because
the next train to leave
I'm getting
platform 2
the train that they're
is
announcing now.
12:20 South Western Railway service to Reading, calling at Wokingham, Winnersh Triangle, Early and Reading.
Oh, it's been so long since I heard that announcement.
Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Winnersh Triangle or Early, you will need to travel in the front 8 carriages of the train.
So, as I was saying, as I was going to say, there is another 2 people here on platform 2, which is the platform I'm on, and nobody on platform 1. However, there is a person on the gate line.
Some stations have
so I
short
don't know
platforms.
if you count the gate line
If
as
you are
on
travelling
platform
to
1.
Winnersh Triangle or Early, you will need to travel in the front 8 carriages of the train.
So, yeah, I mean, and I never thought I'd say this, but it's March, and this will be my first
Our stations are no
service
areas.
rail service I've been on.
Use of e-cigarettes.
South Western Railway, if you're watching. Hi. There are too many announcements. I mean, I get you have to play, like, CSA is sorted, and the next train is blah 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 blah. But there's just too many. So I'll cut to you when the train arrives.
This is Bracknell. Please remember to take all your personal items with you when you leave the train. This train is for Reading. The next station is Wokingham.
So, as you just saw, train pulled in. It says 458522. I don't know what's on the rear of the next clip I'm going to film. I will tell you. And yes, you saw red seats and we moved to blue seats. However, that is simply down to that these blue seats are old first class seats. And that the red seats are second class. But don't forget, on all services that the class 458 operates, there is no first class, as these operate suburban services out of London Waterloo. I'm just looking to see what's on the rear of this. It is 458529 is on the rear. So I just had a look on built-on trains. That tells me what is on the rear of certain operator services. So South Western, Northern, Cross Country, LNER, ScotRail. That's about it really. So So yeah, journey time down to Reading should be about 20 minutes. And well, back to approaching Wokingham. Just a bit of track there laying over Wokingham. What the track's going to be used for, but there's Wokingham. We're still on time. We've arrived 30 seconds early. Always good.
This train is for Reading. The next station is Winnersh. This is Winnersh. Please remember to take all your personal items with you when you leave the train.
Just triangle. Complete with minute work.
This is Winnersh Triangle. Please remember to take all your personal items with you when you leave the train. This train is for Reading. The next station is Early.
This is Early. on time. Always a good sign.
This is early. This train is for Reading.
So that is it. There, behind me, 458522. 168 117 in the middle, and 521 4. If you like this video, and before I end this video, so thank you for 1,100 subscribers, and I will see you. Okay, fine. That's engineer Paddington. Fine. So, if you like this video, subscribe. Thank you for 1,100 subscribers. Buy some merch, support me on Patreon, and I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye.